my name is Fernandez and I'm the co-founder at Nova. And in this video, I will show you how you can prepare sessions quickly and save them in your library to reuse them later. Let's do it! Here's a session. This session uses a list format and appears to be a client questionnaire. I would like to change it or even use a whiteboard instead. To do this, I will go to the session menu, the three dots at the top, and click on Edit Steps. Within minutes, I can edit all the steps, add text, videos, etc. and decide whether I want my clients to see other people's responses or not, and the kind of resources we'll need to accomplish the goal of this session. So let me show you that. If this is not the right space for me, I can switch to a whiteboard by clicking here. A whiteboard is created immediately with all the steps or questions on the right side. Additionally, I can edit those steps and remove the video. Once the steps are ready, I can prepare the whiteboard by adding sticky notes and placing them to the first layer. Or I can add templates, kanban boards, sticky notes, timers, etc. Take your time browsing all the options. I will add friends if the user needs to move with each step. I click on the frame and select the area where I want the screen to go. Whenever I am happy with the results, I can stop editing. If this is something I may use with other clients or it will be useful to other team members, I will save it in my library by going again to the session menu, the three dots, and selecting Save to my tool library or toolbox. I will then review the final version and see how my clients will see the session by clicking on View as a guest. Once I'm done, I will go back to TeamView. Next, I can go back to the project wall. If I am more familiar with the list view, I can change that. Either way, I can track the project and session progress, mark sessions as complete, and add a new session. When I add a session, I can choose the tool. I just save by choosing a tool. I can select current workspace or my tools inside the library to have direct access to all my personal tools. I can choose the one I saved 1 minute ago, and I can use it instantly and invite guests, clients, or my team. Here is the link. That is all for today. Don't forget to check out the guest workspace, automations, project reports, and other features of Nova. Thank you for choosing Nova. See you soon!